Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on taking screenshots on the Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start taking screenshots with your watch, you first have to enable the screenshot feature. To do that, open up the Watch app on your iPhone. In the Watch app, select General. In General, scroll down and find the Enable Screenshots setting and enable it. Now that it is enabled, you can start taking screenshots on your watch. To take screenshots, press the digital crown and the side button at the same time. That screenshot will now be saved to your photos on the watch and on your iPhone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.